Hello JPEG viewers! If you've ever wondered what an untreated 8-pole hyphema can look like years later, well, here's your answer. There's cladding of the iris surface with a chronic dense membrane formation. Now, this patient was already blind in this eye but presented due to cosmetic concerns. He was eventually advised to undergo corneal tattooing via lamellar pocket technique. So if you plan to do a similar case, you just need a crescent knife. I personally prefer mani knife because the blade shaft is malleable. No, this is not a paid ad as much as I wish it were. And for the ink, I personally prefer Rotring ink. Now you can mix and match the color to come up with your preferred hue. You can put 2 ml in a sterile glass bottle and autoclave to sterilize at 121 degrees Celsius. Now, I created a partial thickness incision using mani knife temporally. It must be adequately sized in width to fit the head of the crescent knife. The crescent knife was introduced gently into the corneal stroma, following the curvature of the cornea. Gentle forward strokes were done to advance the head of the crescent knife. Now, this was accomplished carefully so as not to penetrate the epithelium anteriorly or the anterior chamber posteriorly. The goal is to ablate a lamellar pocket circumferentially. Now here, I straightened the crescent knife to reach and open the distal pocket, including the peripheral pockets. And then I used sterilized Rotring pigment, a black pigment for this particular case, to fill the pocket, and washed the excess pigment and inspected the tattoo. You can secure the main incision with a nylon 10-0 suture to prevent pigment egress. So the nice thing about this technique is that a crescent knife is all you need, from the initial incision to completing the lamellar pocket. Now, this is how the patient looks post-operatively, and you can see how happy he is through his smiles. Now, that's about it for this case. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, feel free to message us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.